Hello everyone. This is Shilpa Sharma, lecturer, Human Resource Department, Cimage College, Patna. In this video, I am going to talk about the models of organizational behavior. What exactly is the model? First, model means it is the combined behavior of its people and management. When we put both these behavior together, we understand that there is a certain framework of model, the belief in which the organization functions. So if we see, the models are mostly four types. The first one is autocratic model. The second one is custodial model. The third one is collegial model. And the fourth one is supportive model. In short, I'll tell you what these four models are. Autocratic, as you all know and the name suggests, means the rule of one. In autocratic model, the management functions, the management orientation is more of authority and power. The employees are certainly very disciplined and they display high sense of obedience, but they are not satisfied. The overall performance is low, the feedback is not welcomed, and in autocratic model everywhere you see that there is very strict discipline which curbs the innovation in the organization. If we talk about the second model, which is the custodial model. See, custodial itself means in my custody. So these models are, this model is the belief of those organizations followed by those organizations which are the custodial of economic resources. So the managerial orientation towards people is to lure them through benefits, incentives, various healthcare schemes and etc. In this model, what happens is that people, the employees, they develop more reliance towards the organization than the managers. And they are happy to get benefits, incentives, various healthcare schemes and various things that benefit them. But you would be surprised to know that although employees in this kind of model extend passive support to management, still they are not too motivated to work. Coca-Cola is one company that follows this custodial model. Now the third one is collegial model. Collegial model follows a teamwork structure. The management and its people together, they are working in a team. Now the thing is that people are happy to work. Why? Because they feel that management is also a joint contributor to the work. So the orientation of people is that their overall performance is raised. Why? Because they do not work to show it to management, or they do not work to just to overcome the fear that what if I get caught by the management. But the thing is, just as when you're making a team, what happens is that you feel wanted, you feel useful, you feel needed by the team if you are in a team. Just as if we talk about a football team, all its members, all its players, they train themselves up to the mark to raise the high standard of team because they are associated with it. The same happens in collegial model also. People are happy to work in a team. They work with more of responsibility and not just because of the fear of getting caught by the management. So the performance level rises in collegial model. It is joint contribution between management and its people. The fourth model of organizational behavior is the supportive model. As the name suggests, when a support is given to you, when you feel supported in the organization, it draws out the best performance from you. And also, your feeling of status and recognition rises when you feel that your performance is rising in the organization. Supportive model primarily functions on the basis of a strong leadership provided to its people And one thing which is very true about leadership is that a leader makes good followers, but a good leader makes more good leaders. So that is why a good leadership from the organization does hand holding, and its people, they raise their performance, they feel supported, they feel that their performance is rising, and so according to it the status and recognition is also raising in the organization. Mostly IT companies, they work on this model, the supportive model. The leadership is there and the performance rises according to it. Thank you.